Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hello, everybody. This is Miss Shelby. I am so glad you're here with me today. You know what we do on Tuesdays. It's storytelling time. So let's get started. I am invited to a party by Mo Willems.
Gerald! Look! I am invited to a party.
Cool!
It is cool. Will you go with me? I have never been to a party.
I will go with you. I know parties. Party!
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 Wait! What if it is a fancy party? We must be ready!
Really?
I know parties!
He knows parties.
Zip, zap. Zip, zap.
Is this fancy?
Very fancy. Party!
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 Wait! What if it is a pool party?
A fancy pool party?
We must be ready! I know parties!
He knows parties.
Zip, zap. Zip, zip.
How is this?
We will make a splash. Party!
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 Wait! What if it is a costume party?
A fancy pool costume party.
We must be ready!
He had better know parties.
Zip, zip.
Now can we go to the party?
Yes. Now we are ready.
Well, that is a surprise. You do know parties.
Party, 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 party. I hope you enjoyed that story. I enjoyed reading it to you. One of my favorite things is reading, and that story was so much fun. See you next time.